I'm going to give you the directions on how to access Tumble books from North Wauchula's website homepage. So you're going to go to nwe.hardy.k12.fl.us. This is our website. And you're going to scroll down towards the bottom where you see the link that says Tumble Book Library, and you're going to click on that. Because you use the link from the web page, it's going to automatically log you into our district's free Tumble books, and you'll be able to see here that you have a bunch of different ebooks that you can read online. Because our elementary schools use AR, the easiest way to search for a book would be to come up to the top right corner where it says Tumble Search and click there. If you scroll down, you can see that you can search by different categories. We're going to use the AR because that is what we use. So let's say you're level between a 3.0 and 3.9. We're going to click on Go, and now it is going to show me all the books that are within that range. So if I want to read a book, let's say I want to read a Camping Spree with Mr. McGee, I can click on the book, and here I have access to it. Just remember that when you are using Tumble books, that you have to then go to your AR from your ClassLink page to take your quiz. You can't directly take a quiz from here. You have to go to your AR to be able to do that. So what you would do is you would go back to ClassLink after you read your book in Tumble Books. You would go to your Renaissance place, and mine is going to be a little bit different because I am a teacher. But you would then go in here, you would search for your book. So I would put in A Camping Spree with Mr. McGee. The author, if I wanted to be more specific, I would search for that in Renaissance, and then I would take my quiz in Renaissance. You just want to make sure that you understand that just because you read the book in Tumble Books doesn't mean that the quiz in the quizzes section here is an AR quiz. You actually have to go out of Tumble Books to your ClassLink, to your Renaissance place, log in, and then look for your book there to take an AR quiz.